Welcome to our channel, where transformation begins. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to manifesting your dreams and conquer the fear of failure? If you've ever found yourself wondering why some people effortlessly attract abundance while others are perpetually stuck, then keep watching, because we're about to unveil a remarkable two-word technique that can revolutionize your life. Hey there, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. Whether you're a loyal subscriber or brand new to our channel, I want to extend a warm welcome. Before we dive into the life-changing technique we have for you today, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, because something truly incredible is about to happen in your life. And if you haven't already, subscribe to stay connected with us and ensure you never miss out on our empowering updates. Now, let's embark on a journey that will forever alter the way you perceive your dreams and your ability to achieve them. Your mind is the most remarkable and potent tool you possess. It's like a vast universe within you, filled with untapped potential waiting to be explored. Unlike the physical world, your mind is not bound by the constraints of time or space. It can traverse dimensions, explore possibilities, and shape your reality in ways that might seem magical. Your mind can be divided into two primary aspects, the conscious and the subconscious. Your conscious mind is what you're aware of right now, the thoughts, decisions, and actions you take consciously. It's like the tip of the iceberg, visible above the water's surface. The subconscious mind, on the other hand, is the vast portion of the iceberg hidden beneath the surface. It operates quietly in the background, influencing your beliefs, habits, and perceptions of reality. It's the keeper of your memories and the storehouse of your deep-seated beliefs. Your subconscious mind is a silent partner in your life. It absorbs information, records your experiences, and holds onto your beliefs, both empowering and limiting ones. It's like a loyal servant, always ready to execute the commands it receives. However, the subconscious mind doesn't discriminate between positive and negative beliefs. It accepts whatever you feed it, whether consciously or unconsciously. This is where the power of this technique comes into play. You're consciously choosing what to feed your subconscious. Throughout your life, you've absorbed beliefs and perceptions from your environment. Some of these beliefs may be serving you well, but others might be holding you back. They act like invisible chains, keeping you from reaching your true potential. The beauty of this technique lies in its ability to reprogram your subconscious. By consistently focusing on your desires and reinforcing positive beliefs, you're effectively rewriting the software of your mind. You're replacing those old, limiting programs with new ones that align with your dreams and aspirations. When you use this technique, you're essentially creating a new reality within your subconscious. You're vividly imagining your desires, imbuing them with emotion, and convincing your subconscious that these desires are not just possibilities but certainties. As you do this, your subconscious mind starts to operate in harmony with your conscious intentions. It becomes your ally in manifesting your dreams, working tirelessly behind the scenes to bring your desires into your physical reality. The science behind visualization. The concept of visualization is supported by scientific research. When you vividly imagine something, your brain lights up in a way that's almost indistinguishable from actually experiencing it. This process stimulates neural pathways and creates connections that reinforce your belief in the possibility of your dreams. Moreover, consistent visualization can reduce the brain's perception of barriers and obstacles, making you more likely to take action toward your goals. One of the most significant hurdles on your path to success is your own limiting beliefs. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained and can sabotage your efforts without you even realizing it. Repetition is a powerful tool for reshaping beliefs. By consistently affirming and visualizing your desires, you're essentially rewriting the narrative your subconscious has held onto for years. Emotion is the rocket fuel of manifestation. When you infuse your visualizations with strong positive emotions, you create a resonance with your desires that's hard to ignore. Your subconscious mind is drawn to these emotional vibrations, working diligently to align your reality with your inner world. The law of attraction, a universal principle, posits that like attracts like. Your thoughts and feelings are energy vibrations that send signals to the universe. When you consistently focus on what you want with conviction and positive emotion, you send out a powerful signal that attracts circumstances and opportunities in alignment with your desires. Your subconscious mind is your greatest ally in this process. It's always working in the background, processing information, and influencing your decisions. By reprogramming it with positive beliefs and clear intentions, you're essentially enlisting a powerful force to work in your favor. Many of us carry baggage from our past, failures, setbacks, and disappointments. This technique enables you to break free from these shackles by reprogramming your mind for success. You're not defined by your past. You're defined by your aspirations and your belief in your ability to achieve them. While this technique is potent on its own, you can amplify its effects by combining it with other personal development practices. Meditation, journaling, and gratitude exercises can all help create a fertile ground for your dreams to flourish. While the technique involves a mental and emotional process, it's essential to remember that action is the bridge between your dreams and reality. When opportunities arise, seize them. When you feel inspired to act, do so wholeheartedly. Your actions bring your dreams one step closer to fruition. Ultimately, this technique sets you on a transformative journey. It's about more than manifesting material wealth. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. As you align your beliefs, thoughts, and actions with your desires, you'll notice a profound shift in your mindset and your life. The two-word technique, combined with a holistic approach to personal development, has the potential to rewrite the story of your life. It's about stepping into your true potential, unleashing your inner power, and creating a reality that aligns with your deepest desires. Remember, you are the author of your life's story, and with this technique, you hold the pen to write the chapters of success, abundance, and fulfillment. It's a journey that requires commitment, consistency, and unwavering belief in yourself. Embrace this technique as a gift, one that can unlock the door to a brighter, more prosperous future. As you embark on this remarkable journey of self-discovery and manifestation, know that you have the support of a community that believes in you. Share your successes, challenges, and insights with others, and let's continue to inspire each other to reach new heights. Keep reprogramming your mind, keep visualizing your dreams, keep embracing the power within you, and watch as your life transforms into a reflection of your most cherished aspirations. Your journey to manifesting your dreams has only just begun.